My name is Moony Sunshine. I was named after my earrings. They have moons and suns on them. I just got back from a protest. We were protesting the cutting down of all trees and the cutting of all grasses. I love trees, and I love the moon. I wrote a song in honor of my favorite star, the sun. I would like to play it for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Today is the first day of spring. I love spring. Spring is what allows me to become one with nature. The other day, I was... bugs. I would just like to say peace to all of you out there. Find peace with the trees and the birds and the... I love nature, and I love the sky. I love protesting, and I love tie-dye and headbands, and I love the earth. Moony Sunshine.